With the rapid development of drone technology, low-altitude security demand shows rapid growth. Make the sky safer. LZ Tech is committed to creating comprehensive, low-altitude security solutions. VAR 300 Active Electro-Optical Detection System is a fixed high-performance system. This active electro-optical system adopts multi-tech fusion design. It makes full use of deep neural network algorithms to extract target features and classify image data. It improves the accuracy and effectiveness of detecting and identifying low, slow, and small drones. Active detection. The equipment can be installed at an unobstructed high point, then conducts active search and detection of air targets 24/7 continuously with stable operation. Drones within the surrounding low-altitude range can be detected real-time. Record drone flight trajectories. Process image information. Provide reliable evidence for subsequent processing. Target positioning. After detecting the drone, the system will automatically lock the target through image enhancement algorithms and deep learning models. It will improve target feature extraction and matching accuracy and reduce false alarm rate based on high-definition camera and AI visual deep learning. And supported by long-distance small target algorithm, it is suitable for pan low-altitude targets detection and identification. Multispectral detection. The device also combines visible and infrared multi-channel imaging and utilizes the target's reflected light and its own thermal radiation to achieve all-weather target detection. Effectively solve the disadvantages of night blindness. Realize drone detection and positioning at night, real-time tracking and precise ranging. Flexible integration deployment. The system also supports modular design, flexible deployment on fixed or mobile platforms such as vehicle-mounted or ship-mounted. It can be applied in various environments. And supports integration with other systems to achieve comprehensive, multi-level, and multi-dimensional low-altitude security protection. LZ Tech, making the sky safer.